Children, take out your science copy, please. We have science in this period, na? So take out your science copy. Vidushi, please switch off your mic. Your science copy, your pencil, and your color pencils, children. Whose mic is on? Kishanvi, switch off your mic, child. Ready? I'm sending you an image, children. I'm sending you a picture. We have done the lesson Our Home in Science. Turn to the page where we have done the question and answers of the lesson Our Home. Copy. Please let Achint turn on his own. Achint, do you have your copy open in front of you better? Copy or notebook as I call it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, take it out. Open to the page where we have done the question and answers of the lesson Our Home. I'm sending you a picture. Please draw it on the blank page जो तुम्हारे साइंस कॉपी का लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का ब्लैंक पेज है जहाँ पे क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स ऑफ द लेसन आर होम कर रहे हैं. यू हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस इन फ्रंट ऑन दैट पेज. Draw it neatly and color it very neatly. I'm just going to send you the picture.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम एक्चुअली मैं अभी इमेज नहीं देख पाऊंगी. मेरे दूसरे मोबाइल में वर्णिका क्लास कर रही है.
Where are you?
हेलो मैम.
Yes.
मैं अचिंत की मदर बात कर रही हूँ. मैम एक्चुअली मेरे दूसरे मोबाइल में
No problem.
वर्णिका क्लास कर रही है.
Okay, no problem. हाउस बनाना तो केजी में भी सीखा है ना? So they can draw a house from their
Yes, yes,
imagination
yes.
also. Right. Draw a house from
ओके
your
ओके ओके.
Yes. Yes. Wait बेटा. फिर से बोलो बेटा. You haven't done the question answers of Our Home. But I had sent you the work ना बेटा. अब तक के आपका काम पूरा हो जाना चाहिए था. Okay. I can't hear you बेटा. फिर से बोलो. You have done the work of me and my family. Okay. हाँ. रुको बेटा 1 मिनट. Achint, switch on your mic. Beta, switch on your mic. We have done the question answers of lesson Our Home, na? We haven't done the question answers, children.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Ayansh, sorry. Okay, children. Do one thing.
नहीं
किसी का नहीं हुआ है. Children, wait. I thought I had given you the question answers. I haven't given you the question answers. Don't worry. Me and my family करा है हम लोगों ने. Me and my family. Turn the page. Turn the page. We can do this diagram later on. I am going to send you the question and answers of chapter Our Home. Right? 1 minute, children. Just give me a minute. I'll send it to you just now.
यहाँ देख रही हूँ थोड़ा पिक्चर मार यहाँ पे बना
No, don't draw, children. Don't draw just now. Don't draw. Okay. I'm sending.
यहाँ यहाँ आना होता है यहाँ भी डाल
छोटा बना दा
तो यहाँ भी डाल देना लेकिन इधर भी डाल
छोटा बनाना आता है मामा को बैठने
Okay, children. I have sent you.
अरे देख इतना छोटा
फिर तुमने निकालने का काम कर लिया ना चल ये काम करो
Okay, children. I have sent you the question and answers of the chapter Our Home. Start from a new page.
यहाँ से करो O U R R चलो चैप्टर का O U R R स्मॉल लेटर लिखो
Very good, children. Ishanvi, are you writing?
मैम कौन सी कॉपी में ड्राइंग करनी है
ड्राइंग नहीं करनी है अभी. जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भेजे हैं मैंने लेसन आर होम के साइंस का. Achint, are you writing better? If you need the phone, you can go off camera and write. Okay? Because your other phone is being used by your sister, so you can go off camera but do the work in class. I wanted to see you doing it just now, right? So start writing. Children, see that you do not make any spelling mistakes. Write neatly. Okay, while you're writing your question and answers, children, I'll take your attendance. So when I call out your name, switch on your mic and give me your attendance. Adya Verma,
Present, ma'am.
Achint Marotra,
Present, ma'am.
Adyan, Advait,
Present, ma'am.
Akshat, Akshat,
Ma'am.
Akshay, Akshita, Arna Raj, Arslan, Devansh. Devansh, are you there? Ekagr,
Present, ma'am.
Fazilat, Hanifa, Hashvi. Havira, you want to ask me something?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Havira,
Yes, ma'am.
present man.
Present.
Jennifer is absent. Ishanvi,
Present, ma'am.
Laiba,
Present, ma'am.
Lavik, Myra Fatma,
Present, ma'am.
Abdullah, Yasir, Ismail, Izan, Myra Tandon,
Present, ma'am.
Nabiha, Nabiha, Naima Khan, Nishkat,
Present, ma'am.
Shayan,
Yes. Present, ma'am.
Suknoor,
Present, ma'am.
Swastik, Tasmia, Varunika, Vidushi,
Present, ma'am.
Yashwardhan, Viraj, Saida Batul, Yatharth, Ayansh,
Present, ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Who said present just now? Hanifa, yes, I've marked you present, child. I've marked you present.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. Saida, you want to ask me something?
Present, ma'am.
I've marked you present, beta. You all should be on which question now? You all should be on question number 2. In fact, answer number 2 now. I hope you all are writing nicely, neatly. On 1, no problem. Write. I know you will write quickly. Achint, please erase on your own. अपने आप से erase करो. Okay. The first question was, why do we need a house? We need a house as it keeps us safe from heat, cold, wind, rain, and various animals. Number 2, what are the different rooms in a house? The different rooms in a house are bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, dining room, and living room. These two you should complete in class only. Ishanvi, are you writing, child? Ishanvi, most of the time you are not writing, beta. Izan, are you writing?
मैम क्या करना है?
कहाँ थे? Where were you?
मैम नहीं आ रहा था.
Okay. Okay, Izan, I have sent question and answers for your science work. You have to do those question and answers in your science copy.
Okay, मैम.
Akshay, you're joining very late, child. Akshay, show me your science copy, please. Akshay, show me your science copy. जो भी उसकी साइंस कॉपी निकाल के आ रहा है प्लीज़ कम ऑन कैमरा. आप में से जो भी उसकी साइंस कॉपी उसके लिए लेके आ रहा है प्लीज़ सामने आ जाइए. यू आर अक्षयस, प्लीज स्विच ऑन द माइक. माइक खोलिए. आप अक्षय की. एक मिनट, आप अक्षय की कौन है? आप अक्षय को कॉपी खुद निकालने देंगी प्लीज. ठीक है, उसको ला के कुछ मत दीजिए. लेट हिम लर्न अपने आप से. जब तक कि कॉपीज बुक्स पहचानेगा नहीं, उसको सब्जेक्ट्स और चैप्टर्स सब चीज़ें कैसे समझ में आएंगी. ठीक है, तो उसके पास ही उसकी बुक्स और कॉपी सब रखी होना चाहिए. उसको समझ में आना चाहिए कौन सी कॉपी मैं मांग रही हूँ और कौन सी बुक मैं निकालने को बोल रही हूँ, कौन सा पेज. ठीक है अक्षय, गो एंड ब्रिंग योर कॉपी योर सेल्फ प्लीज. Someone is asking me something. Yes, wait, beta Saida. Let me pin you in that. नहीं बेटा, साइंस के लिए वन साइड प्लेन एंड वन साइड ब्लैंक. मैंने बताया था ना, लिख के भेजा था, इंटरलीव्ड.
Okay, ma'am.
And don't use a sketch pen or color pencils until unless I tell you to. Right?
Ma'am, social science से पूछो.
सोशल स्टडीज और साइंस की कॉपीज जो है,
Copy.
वन साइड ब्लैंक एंड वन साइड फोर लाइंस रूल्ड वाली होनी. सोनू, शो मी द कॉपी यू आर यूजिंग. सॉरी निष्कर्ष, शो मी द कॉपी दैट यू आर यूजिंग. कौन सी कॉपी यूज कर रहे हो? एक साइड ब्लैंक, एक साइड, इसमें एक साइड ब्लैंक पेज है बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके फाइन.
बेटा.
यस अक्षय, स्टार्ट राइटिंग प्लीज. अक्षय काम करना शुरू करो. Yes, Achint, correct. Go on to the third question now. You on second one? Which one are you on? Your copy is correct, Akshay. Achint. Copy, science copy. You have to do these question and answers in your science copy. Okay children, continue writing and I will send a message about what you have to, how you have to send me the work. Don't send me the work till I ask you to. जब तक के मैं ना कहूँ, please don't send me the work. Do this work, complete it just now. I might ask you to send it to me today evening. In the meantime, yes.
मैम ये बच्चे होमवर्क में करा रही है.
नहीं,
ये बच्चे होमवर्क में कर रही है.
रुको, फिर से बोलो.
मैम ये बच्चे होमवर्क में कर रही है.
This the picture of home?
Yes, ma'am.
No, I'll tell you. I'll send you the work. The work that you have to do, I will send you. Okay? Abhi
Okay,
complete the question answers of this lesson that I've sent you just now. Okay, Jun, please continue with your work. Your class for today is over.
Attendance हो गई. मैम attendance हो गई.
Yes, Izan, you were late na, but I have marked you present. Wait, let me check whether I have marked you. Wait. Izan, wait. Yes, Izan, I have marked you present. Okay. Okay, children. So bye bye for today. We will meet again on Monday.
Bye, ma'am.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye bye. Love you all children. Take care. Bye bye.